Hello, you're highly welcome to this channel. In this channel, we only talk about picture framing, picture enlargement. In today's video, I want to show you a detailed process of making a picture frame. Stay tuned to learn. If this is your first time, do me a favor to subscribe. So, I woke up this morning, went to Muchi Market. For those in Lagos, this is Muchi Market, Muchi bus stop. That's where I went to get this frame. So as I reached the shop, I saw the man. He has already opened his shop, putting frame cut, already cutted frames, putting them in order. Okay. Then I told him that I want a frame pull. I want to make a frame. Okay. He carried me to the portal, to the place where he packed the frame pulls for me to select the one I want, the one I like. So I first point out this red color according to the picture I showed him. So this is the picture. He brought out this one. He brought out this color. And we started contemplating on it, whether it will match the picture or not. I requested for another color, for another style. Okay. But before that, first of all, contemplate, think, check. Based on the background. At the end, I requested for another one. Let me compare the two or the three. He showed me this one. I said no, I don't like it. Then he started looking for another one. He then finally brought out this black color. I said, wait, I like it. Let me go with it. I then brought it out. As you can see, it's shining. It's beautiful. I think it's matched picture because of the blackness of it. It matched the picture. He brought out this one too, but I said no. Since I have taken the first black, let him return this one. So at the end, I went with the black one. But before I carry on with this black one, we contemplate, we match, we compare between the two frames, how good they are. As you can see, I was showing him the colors depending on the background of the picture and the shirts the guy is putting on the picture. Okay, that's what we were discussing here. At the end, I chose this one. I asked him to cut it for me. Let him cut this black one. So I carried it to where they cut frames. This is the place where they cut frames. I kept it and wait for him to on gel because there is no light. I patiently wait for him. He has on the gel. Okay. He asked me the size I want. I told him 1624. He measured it out. It's measuring tape. First of all, measured 24. He cut out 24 inches first. You can see how he's cutting it. I want to put this 24 inches in shape. Just stay tuned. Be following the movements, learn with the movements. Be observant, okay? For you to learn fast. So 24 inches is now okay. So you want to cut out 16 inches now. And that's what it's doing. Okay, he's done cutting them. We are now going to where he will join them together, where he will couple. And here we are. I purposely choose this process to show you that you must not break your bank to frame your picture. This process is cheaper. It's very cheaper. Just a little secret for you, it's just cheaper. But another process is getting already cutted ones. Those ones I showed you. If you have not seen it, this is it. These ones are already cutted ones. So going for it, for me, is costly. But if you don't need all this stress, you can go for it. He's done. You can see the frame. I went to photography paint shop to keep my picture ready, as usual. Okay, I went there, I sent them the two pictures I need, and these are the two pictures. And the guy on the computer is editing it for me, as usual. Okay, I think I will fast forward it because these are not your work. Just go to photography paint shop, give them your pictures, they will edit it for you, laminate it. Sorry, print it first and laminate it. Nothing else. It's not your work. Just pay them, give them the amount they want, they will do it for you. Then go and do the framing. That's all, nothing else. So he's done with the edition. You can send it to the printer, and this is the printer. The picture is coming out showing that it's printing as usual. If this is your first time, please watch other videos to learn fast. Watch other videos. It's for your own good. Okay, it's done printing. Picture has finished coming out. This is lamination. You must laminate your printed picture. Once serve is consigned, once self-adhesive vinyl is consigned, you must laminate your printed picture. So I started framing. This is the framing process. This is where your attention is highly needed. So put all your attention here. Just be observant. You will learn, okay? There's nothing new. Okay, here he want to lap the picture very well to the board. So he carried it to the lamination stage for the picture to be well lapped. That's why he used that. These are small nails. You can see how he's coupling them, placing them on the frame. You know why it's easy like this? Because the frame is fiber. It's fiber frame. That's why it's easy. If it's a woody frame, you will use a hammer. Okay? And if this fiber is very light, you will use staple. That's all. We'll continue observing what he's doing. You want to cover the edges of the frame. You can see how he's doing it. It's very simple. You want to attach hook? This is hook. You see how beautiful it is. Please help to share with others and subscribe. Love you guys.